Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Port, where we tell you regarding the shipping information in day-to-day maritime business. Today I will tell you regarding the some concepts of export and import. So let us first discuss regarding the documentation in export and import. So today I will tell you regarding the pre-shipment documents and post-shipment documents. Friends, pre-shipment documents are the documents which are required before the actual export of goods by sea, land or air. And the post shipment documents are those documents which are required after the export of goods by sea, air, or land. So, pre shipment documents are required to be made till the consignment is presented to the custom department for clearance. So, today I will list you the pre shipment documents. So first pre-shipment document is pro forma invoice. Second is the confirmed order or contract. Third is the LC, which is an letter of credit. Fourth is a pre-shipment inspection certificate. Fifth is the packing list. And the sixth is shipping bill. Seventh is export declaration forms, which are GR and SDF. GR stands for guaranteed remittance and SDF is statutory declaration form. Last one is ARE, application for removal of accessible goods by air, sea or land. So these are all the pre-shipment documents. Now let me tell you regarding the post-shipment documents. Post-shipment documents are such as mate's receipt, bill of lading or airway bill, roadway or railway bill. Roadway we have e-way bill and railway bill we have lorry receipts also. Then we have post parcel or courier receipt, invoices including and consular invoices. The next one is COO, certificate of origin. The other is insurance certificate or policy. Then comes the bill of exchange. And the last one is BRC, bank realization certificate. So friends, I hope you would have got some information regarding the pre-shipment documentation and post-shipment documents in export and import process. I hope you like this video. If you like this content, please share with your friend and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, stay tuned with our YouTube channel. Thank you.